Hello guys, welcome to the Rev Games Academy. In the last video, we explored setting up triggers and collisions in 3D. Today, I'll guide you through creating a simple car controller. Get ready to learn all the essentials? Let's dive right in. First, create a plane. Right-click in the hierarchy window, click the 3D object, and click Plane. Adjust the camera angle. Create a car by downloading a car asset from the asset store. Search for Arcade Free Racing Car. Since I have already purchased it, just click and open in Unity, and then click Open Unity Editor to redirect to the Unity editor. Click Import. It will appear in the project window. Click on Arcade Free Racing Car folder. Click on Prefabs with Colliders folder. Drag and drop the Free Racing Car prefab into the hierarchy window. It appear in the Game and Scene window and adjust the camera angle. Extend the plane. Create a car controller script to control the car and attach the script to the Free Racing Car prefab. Click Add Component on the Free Racing Car prefab, select New Script, rename it to Car Controller, and then click Create to open the script. Now Visual Studio will open. The max motor torque determines how much power is applied to the wheels for movement, while max steering angle sets the maximum angle the front wheels can turn. Brake force is used to apply braking when needed. The wheel collider variables, front left collider, front right collider, rear left collider, rear right collider, handle the car's physics interactions such as acceleration, steering, and braking. The transform variables, front left wheel, front right wheel, rear left wheel, rear right wheel, rear right wheel, represent the movement of the colliders. The rigid body component is used for physics-based movement of the entire car. In the start method, the script gets the rigid body component attached to the car and adjusts its center of mass to be lower. Handle input, which processes player inputs for movement, steering, and braking, and update wheels, which ensures the visual wheels match the wheel collider positions for realistic motion. The handle input method controls the car's movement based on player input. It reads the vertical axis up-down arrow keys to move forward or backward and applies power motor torque to the rear wheels. It also reads the horizontal axis, left-right arrow keys, to steer the front wheels by adjusting their steering angle. If the space bar is pressed, braking force is applied to the rear wheels. Otherwise, the brakes are released, allowing the car to move freely. The update wheels method keeps the visual wheels in sync with the physics-based wheel colliders. It calls the update wheel position for each wheel, making sure the visual wheel meshes match the position and rotation of their respective wheel collider so they move realistically as the car drives. The update wheel position method updates the position and rotation of a visual wheel to match its wheel collider. It gets the correct position and rotation from the collider using getWorldPose and then applies them to the visual wheel transform, ensuring the wheels move and turn realistically. Save the code, go to Unity. Now, drag and drop the collider and transform references into the inspector. Save the scene. Click the Run button. Now control the car's movement using the up, down, right, and left arrow keys. The car's movement will be displayed in the game window. Now it moves like a realistic car. And that's it. Today you learned about creating a simple car control. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time.